So this is a geometry problem. So this is a box with a square end. Okay, there's my beautiful box. A square end, so this end is x by x by x by x. And then we need to know the length of it. And it says that the girth, so going around here, 4x, and the length should not exceed 108. So if we want it as big as possible, then we're going to have to go all the way up to 108. That's what's called an auxiliary equation. We now need the main equation, which is what they're asking about, which is volume. So volume is equal to, well, we need the area of a side, which is x squared, times the length. And now we need to incorporate all this information in one function. So in this one, solve for L. And then substitute that in over here. So it's going to be x squared multiplied with a 108 minus 4x. Or if you distribute, it's going to be negative 4x cubed plus 108x squared. And then a quick look at the graph. Negative 4x is cubed plus 108 x is squared. So it's a box that the post office would accept. So 0 to, well, that would be about 2 feet. That should be plenty. And then volume, I'll try the same thing. And we're supposed to find the dimensions with the largest possible volume. Well, I don't see any maximum yet. I still don't see any maximum. Oh, there's a maximum. Okay, so this function does have a maximum. That's what this was asking for. Okay, so take the derivative. Negative 12x squared plus, let's see, that would be 216x. You could then set it equal to 0, factor out an x, so negative 12x plus 216. So this one would be x equals 0, which makes a very small box. And this one, let's see, negative 12x plus 216 equals 0 means a 12x equals a 216. So divide. Okay, I think I can check the answer at the same time. If I trace and put in a 216 divided by 12, yes, that's the maximum. Very nice. So it's an 18. So 18 inches, which is 1.5 feet. And do they want the volume or the dimensions? What are the dimensions? Okay, so it's going to be 18 by 18. That's for the end of it. Now we need to find the L. So that's not this number. This is the volume. I want to know the length. So 108 minus 4 times 18. And it can be 3 feet long by 36 inches, inches, inches. And there's the dimensions.